A certain fake news journalist died and went to heaven. Saint Peter opened the gates of paradise and said to him, "Sorry, but our quota for such journalists has been exhausted. We can only have 12 journalists in heaven, no more. Even these 12 hardly ever have a job, because there is no news here. Nothing happens. What can happen in heaven? No riots, no rapes, no politicians, no government collapse, no divorces, no murders. Nothing happens here." A great playwright would define news like this: if a dog bites a man, it's not news. But if a man bites a dog, then it's news. Well, in heaven, who will bite the dog and why? First, where will you find a dog in heaven? And the person who bites the dog will be almost impossible to find. So there are no newspapers there. Perhaps in the mornings they simply distribute blank sheets of paper there. The saints sit, look at these empty sheets and are very glad that nothing happened. And that's good. Nothing is always better than something. That's why St. Peter said, "Please go to hell. There are thousands of journalists and hundreds of newspapers and so much news." But the fake journalist began to object. He declared, "Not. Please give me at least 24 hours. If I can convince some journalist to go to hell, then one place will become vacant and you can give it to me. Otherwise, I will go to hell. Only 24 hours. St. Peter realized that there was logic in this and agreed, "Okay, you can try." And the journalist tried. He's an expert on lies. The truth isn't their business. The truth can't be their business, because the truth is very simple and very uncomplicated. You can't make any newspaper material out of it. There is nothing special about it. It's just what it is. And lies are very complicated, and you can make a lot of stories out of them. You can constantly create newspaper stories, moving from one story to another. But you need a lie as a basis, not the truth. The whole art of journalism is the art of lying in such a way that people think it's true. So he was an expert. He started spreading rumors. As soon as he appeared in heaven, he began to tell people, "Have you heard that a new newspaper is being created in hell? A very big project. Requires an editor-in-chief with a huge salary and with all the benefits. Deputy editors needed, reporters needed." And in 24 hours, he spread so many rumors on the subject that when he returned and asked St. Peter if any journalist had gone to hell, St. Peter closed the gates in front of him and said, "You did it. Now you can't leave. All 12 escaped. And we should have at least one journalist in case something ever happens. That's why I can't let you out now." The journalist was furious. He said, "This is wrong. This is contrary to our argument. I only asked for 24 hours. I want to go to hell." St. Peter was surprised. "Why? What for? After all, it was you who spread those rumors. This is a complete lie. You made it up." The reporter replied, "Yes, I made it up. But there must be something in it, since 12 journalists believed it. There must be something in it. Perhaps it's just a coincidence that I came up with this, and at this very time a big newspaper is really being created. I can't stay here. If 12 people believed it, I had a lot of doubt. Maybe it wasn't a lie at all. You can experience this in your own life. Tell some lie to several people, and when they begin to believe in it, you will, to your surprise, gradually begin to believe in it yourself. So many people live in a lie, knowing full well that it's a lie, but only because so many people believe. How can so many people be wrong?